So this is how you make a YouTube thumbnail. It's pretty simple, but I know when I first started, it was very hard because I didn't know where to go, who to go to, if I need to go to someone, what program to use. But all you really need to do is you go to canva.com, you do that, and then all you do, you just type in YouTube thumbnail. And you see that it's a YouTube thumbnail, and then give you the size. That's very important. You really want to get that size in. So you can click it, and it give you the option to create a blank YouTube thumbnail, or you could use a pre-built one. And we always gonna go for the pre-built one. It's just much easier. So if your channel deals with being like a vegan type of channel, you could click that and then mess around with that, mess with the colors. You into yoga, it got that. And if you notice down here, right in the right bottom corner, it's a paid, so that means you would have to pay for that, so you would have to upgrade your account to a paid account. But they got some free stuff on here. They got a lot of free stuff. Personally, me, I use free stuff. I like free stuff. But let's see what we gotta choose. Let's see. We are gonna go with I like this one. So it comes up. So all you really need to do is just modify it, and it will let you pick the colors you want to pick. It's pretty simple. So instead of red, I'm gonna choose green. Instead of this red, I'm gonna just choose orange, just cause. Let's type in my name. Thingamabob. My bobs. This is where you make thumbnails. Now I'm just playing around with y'all as far as just typing some stuff in just to show y'all on like how to do it, where to go and stuff like that. So don't take me serious. So if I want to change the whole background again, I can do that. This is where you make thumbnails, thingamabobs. Blueberry right there. And even you come down here, like I said before, in the right bottom corner, you got the free ones. And then as you further get into it, it will come with the crown. That means it's the pro account, which is the paid account. Now, they got something up here as well called elements. Now, if I wanted, I could choose a light bulb, drag that in there. What else? You do. They just got all type of stuff though. If you make a little boo boo, a little error, you just hit that back bar. You could hit Control Z, or you could just hit undo up here. So after you're done making a modification with your thumbnail, all you would do, you come here, you hit download. I would suggest just do a PNG, or you could do a JPEG, but me, I just personally do the PNG. It's higher quality as far as the image go. So I'm hit download. Save. Click out of that. So I would go to my YouTube channel. So after you go on your YouTube channel, and you go to your channel, then you go to the video you want to do to change the thumbnail, you can hit edit video, then it will come up with this. You hit these three dots, go to change, and there's my thing. You put that in there, you hit save, and boom. Just like that though. It's really not that bad when it comes to making a thumbnail. You just have to know what program to use and like where to go. Straight up.